Hi, Travel Kid here. Today we're back at Universal Studios Hollywood. You might remember last week we went to Jurassic World. Well, this week we're back in action, and I'm taking you along for the studio tour. You hop on a tram that takes you behind the scenes of a real working movie studio, Universal. It was awesome because you got to see how rain and thunderstorms were made in movies, TV shows, commercials, music videos, but my favorite part is just now beginning. Watch out, everyone, cause there's a flash flood. From there, you get to see some of the most famous cars from movies called picture cars. Some of my favorite cars were from Back to the Future, the Flintstones, Harry Potter, and of course, Jurassic World.
Whoa! The dinosaurs have escaped to the front car. Whoa, be careful, everybody, do spit.
We're getting wet again.
If you want to see more spitting dinosaurs, plus a big splash, check out last week's video, where I visited Jurassic World. Next up, we're on the back lot at Courthouse Square. You might recognize this place from a whole bunch of famous movies. How to Kill a Mockingbird, Gremlins, and most famously, Back to the Future. From there, I went to a set that simulates that you're in an earthquake. Get ready. That earthquake was epic. My last highlight of the tour is this massive outdoor plane crash set built for the movie War of the Worlds, directed by Mr. Steven Spielberg. This is a real airplane that has been cut into pieces and was transported into the back lot of Universal. Write me in the comments and tell me if you have a favorite movie made by Universal. Some of my favorites are Jurassic Park, Sing, and the new Super Mario Bros. Movie. Speaking of which, next week I'm going to Super Nintendo World. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss it. See you there. Bye!